Okay, this is the elevator at Dillards at the Great Lakes Mall. We have an RT. I thought this was Westy, but this might actually be Schindler. Rumor has it that the records say 93, so I thought this was Westy, but I might be wrong. It's always had that Schindler label in here, but I thought this always ran more like Westy, but yeah, no, this might actually be Schindler. This thing is definitely not the best. There's your phone. There's your certificate. The store was originally here. Definitely used to be a different elevator in the store before Dillard's got it. Because the escalators are Westinghouse from the 60s when the store opened. It's Higbee's. But Dillard's remodeled this whole store, so I wouldn't be surprised. I'll go ahead and end upstairs on 2. This button's cracked. 2,500 pound capacity. Alright, here we go. Alright. Here's the store. Here's your call button.